yeah. Is something gonna happen? I'm here. This is how we do Charco Azul, one of my top 5 favorite hiking spots in Puerto Rico to date. Park here, support the local businesses. The family that owns the property is amazing. All right, let's go. Walk straight down the hill from the parking. This, when it's wet, is slippery. So it hasn't rained in a little bit, so I think we're okay. When you get to the water station, you can make a left or make a right.
Are we doing the right trail or this one?
Let's do the right one first, yeah? Just go down the trail a little bit, make your first left. If you see this, you went too far. I remember going down that little trail and then turning around and coming back up. Hit the subscribe button if you're planning your first trip to Charco Azul or you want to see more spots like this in Puerto Rico. Oh, and you should have made a left there. Wait, do we go down? Yeah, we go down here, right, Drake? Once you climb over this big concrete drain and you see this little pond, you know you're going the right direction. Hike down a little bit further and you'll see this. This descent can be challenging for some, so take your time and be safe climbing down. Sometimes the water can be fucking freezing. Bite the bullet, just get it over with. Swim like a paddle, swim like a paddle.
Can you help me?
How am I gonna help you? I'm up here. First, swim to the right cave. You'll see a waterfall coming down.
How do I do this?
Come over here. Just step over. You got it. Just be slow and safe. Don't hurry, okay? Take your time. Come on, say you understand that?
Yeah, see?
Okay. Now go here or here, whichever you feel better with.
Here. I did it!
Okay, now we're gonna walk up this.
No!
See,
Oh my God.
you have to climb up this log to get in. It's scary the first time, but after you do it, you'll be like, ah, no problem. Oh, Dariana, you okay?
Oh, look at that fish!
This cave is pretty easy, but good adventure value. You might even see some bats. Now head down to the cave entrance on the left. Come on, come forward, come towards us. Yeah, go on top. Climb down the concrete pipes. This underground section can be scary as fuck and extremely dangerous the first time you do it.
Oh no. Hell
Oh, hell yeah.
no. Oh hell no.
You're the oldest one here and you're crying the most.
No, I'm not. She's the older one.
Do you want me to hold you like a baby in diaper? It's about a 50 to 75 yard swim underground in the dark. We want to keep moving? You definitely need a flashlight and a flotation device. I love doing it in the dark. It still scares the shit out of me. Is something gonna happen? I'm here. Oops, I just kicked somebody. Once you make it to the other side, you can hike further up the river if you have time. It's such a beautiful jungle there. Just hike back out the same way you came in. It's really easy from here, less the hills if you're not used to them. Look at this pond, is beautiful right here.
Oh yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Try it.
Yeah, I need.
Sit on your noggins there. I'll help you on the hard ones, but this is easy. Come on. Have you guys forgotten how to climb?
No.
This time, make a left at the water station. If it just rained, it can be really slippery. You'll bust your ass. When you get down to the river, make a right. You'll start seeing the beautiful pools and the rock formations. We're here. Look, goldfish. Make sure the water's deep enough. Climb up on the left or the right and... Once you get the lay of the land, you're gonna have so much fun climbing, jumping, checking out the rock formation cavey thing up on the left. You can swim through this cavern. It is such an amazing place. This is where my GoPro ran out of battery, so insert montage here. And just like little Poncha says,